Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got the early access for ElevenLabs Sound Effects. Let's try it together. Okay, I just open it and I just go to ChatGPT and send I got early access to ElevenLabs. This. Okay, tell me a few cool examples. Okay, we have 5 examples and I just tried it out. Fifth one here. Let me play. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh shit. Oh, this is cool. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. This one. Let's put over here and generate. Let's wait a bit. Yeah. You just use ChatGPT for generating the prompts and hit over ElevenLabs generating the sound effects. And go to Midjourney and generate images, or with Sora, you make a film, you make a movie in just a seconds. Oh yeah, we have a results. Let's play this one. Border. Nice. Let's try it out. Let's write something. Give me something crazy. Give me something crazy. Sound effect. Let's give me something crazy. Elements are truly unique, crazy experience. Okay, robotic movements, metallic square, histoline, hissed genres, or moves. Let's have a best squirting down. Oh, let's try that out. Seems interesting. Let's put here and generate. Oh, we have our results. Let's try that out. And the last one. That's the last one. I'm just running out my credits. I will leave the link in the description below. Just check out. And you can try it out yourself. Here we go. We got our results. Oh, yeah. Just a game changer, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will leave link in the description below. Don't forget to check this out and try it yourself. Let me know your results.